So today we're out in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Importer Lions 2020. It's still pretty early, so there's not too many cars out, but it is starting to fill up really quick. So they got a drift event going on right now, and later on in the day they'll have a drag event and of course the car show. Today I'm gonna try and get some vendors, maybe some partial sponsors here and there. Anything is acceptable. Stickers, t-shirts, accessories, any type of that stuff. So far we've spoke with a vendor here, and he's willing to give us $100 off each turbo if we buy more than one. Where are you from?
Clarksville, Tennessee.
Okay. How far was the drive?
About an hour.
Hour. Okay.
It's
And,
about an hour and 30 minutes, but we made it here.
Okay. Did you trailer it?
No.
No. You drove it up here, huh?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I replaced the crank and put bearings. But other than that, it still has 140,000 miles on it.
Stock OEM motor.
OEM motor from factory.
From the car, same motor with the car. Okay.
Literally.
Nice. So K24 or K20, A2?
Yeah.
Z1. Oh, okay, that's right. It is a 06, 05 model.
It's on, Pumpy 85, 200cc injectors, boost bike gear setup. It made 606 about a year ago. It's not K series, yeah.
Is it still on 606?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow. And this is daily?
Yeah, I daily drive this every day.
Wow. What size turbo is that?
It's a BorgWarner S366, so kind of like a 64, 68
Okay.
kind of setup.
Does it have a lot of lag?
I can show you a video and you can determine lag.
Okay.
But, you know,
That manifold is huge.
that's the JDL Engineering manifold. We got twin precision 46 gates on
Wow.
it. Magnus intake manifold. Tile block, treadstone, 1,000 horse intercooler.
So with the open dump tubes and hood exit, do you ever get problems with with authority with that?
No,
No?
I get a lot of thumbs up from authorities actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Especially when you throw like a 5-foot flame at the top.
So you've never gotten pulled over for that
No.
hood exit? Wow. That's
We
impressive.
don't have emissions in cars for or anything like that. So
Okay.
I have a Gear X drag tube 1 through 4th,
Mhm.
all carbon coated synchros, new bearings, Quake LSD, still factory axles.
So you got the
I still got AC.
DC5 creations or something like that? AC lines?
Yeah.
Something creations,
Yeah,
I know.
Yeah, I got their AC lines. The only thing it doesn't really have right now is heat.
Uh-huh.
I kind of rushed one day to make streetcar takeover. I haven't fixed it since. So other than that, I just gotta put heat on it.
How does the hood stay down?
So on the way here, my hood broke, or my hood latch broke.
I was looking, I was like, I don't see your hood latch, but and there's no hood
it's in
pins.
my trunk right now.
Oh man.
Yeah, on the way here, we were probably about 5 or 6 minutes out, and I hit a bump, and then I saw my hood fly up. So I pulled over, and it broke. So I gotta take my bumper off, zip tie it down.
Yeah, those things are,
Notorious.
they're a sucker.
And unless I can find some hood latches down here, and find some tools, I'll install it here.
You know what's crazy is I didn't drive down here, but in my daily that I drive, I have one of those C brackets in my car.
What?
Yeah. It's brand new OEM, still got the Honda sticker on it. And it's just been sitting in my car because I sold my RSX. And it's just sitting there. But I didn't drive down here. I drove to my friend's house, and then we drove from my friend's house down here. I would have given it. I just would have given it to you too.
God sent you for a reason.
Oh man, this is nice, man. You got the A-Spec kit.
It's just the A-Spec front. I used to have Megan side skirts, Megan rear lip. I took all that off, so I wanted to go more for a track style.
Got some Dev Sport splitters. The wide body is anointed arrow. That's right.
Yeah, that's one of 10 fiberglass, 1 of 10 carbon fiber V1 kit.
What's your suspension and wheel setup?
So I have the Skunk 2 Pro C coilovers, Type R aluminum lower control arms with PCI spherical bushings, Type R sway bar. Pretty much makes the suspension besides tie rod ends and whatever. The wheel specs are 17x9 on the plus 22 with a 255/40 offset, 255/40 with the Federal 95. I just put them on like a month ago, so
Those are those.
I'm still trying to fit them in the rear.
Did you ever think about going with the rear panels?
I can